Now in the next video second, I will explain you about more frictional examples. See, second example. First example I have shown you for wheel. Okay, why wheel stop moving after certain period of time. Now second, after applying brakes, okay, to a moving bike, or the surface of brakes offer a friction. Okay, when you apply brakes on moving bike, so the surface of brakes they will offer friction to the surface of moving wheel, and the bicycle stops because of friction. Okay, suppose you are riding a bicycle and you just apply the brakes. Okay, and but you will feel that bicycle, or if you stop pedaling, bicycle will move at certain distance, but it stops after certain period of time, because friction was working between the surface of this moving tire and between the land surface. Okay, so friction was working here, and because of friction, because of force of friction, the bicycle stops moving. Next example, or third one example, when you gently push a book on a table, it stops after moving for some distance because of friction, because the surface of book and table. See, here examples are given. Suppose book was kept here and you have pushed with your hand, and the book, when it starts moving, then it suddenly stops here because of the friction working between the surface of this book and between the table. Okay, see, now what are the factors which affect the friction? Okay, there are some factors which affect the friction. It means that there are some factors by which friction will work faster, or it will slow. Okay, or you can say they will increase, friction will increase, or friction will decrease. See, what are the factors? Friction is caused by the irregularities of the two surfaces in contact. First thing, that it caused by the irregularities. You know that on each surface there are some irregularities. Even though the table, which seems so smooth, it has some irregularities, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so because of these irregularities, friction will be caused. Okay, even those surfaces which appear very smooth like this table, but microscopic view will show that there are some irregularities. You can see these are irregularities. Okay, the surface is not smooth. When these surfaces come in contact with the irregularities, okay, so the surface regularities of surfaces get interlocked. It means irregularities between the book and the table, they interlocked between each other. And when we apply force, so we have to apply more force so that we can move this book from this direction to this direction, because of irregularities books and the table, they were interlocked. Okay, now a surface produces friction when it slides or rolls over another surface. Okay, जो surface है वो friction produce करेगा जब हम उसको slide करेंगे या उसको roll करेंगे दूसरे surface पर. Okay, there are more examples, I will explain you them also.